Welcome to Eganizer Tutorials, the Beginner Series. My name is Kyle Aldrich. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the Design Pod Details page and how to modify tags, add files to existing design pods, and to download your files. Let's get started. To get started, log into your account and you will be brought to your library page. Click on a design thumbnail, which will open the Design Pod Details page for that particular design. This is where you can customize tags, add files, and download files and folders. Let's start at the top. On the left side, we have the Design Pod name and thumbnail. You can edit the Design Pod name by clicking on the name, make your changes, and then save those changes. On the right side, we have the tags that we applied during the upload process. As you can see, we did not choose a designer tag during upload. Let's click Edit Pod Tags, choose a designer from the drop-down, or you can type a new designer, and click the plus icon to add. Then click Apply Tags to save changes. Now we have a designer tag added to this design pod. You can edit all tags which are important for the unique search features within Eganizer. Lastly, you can add notes for this particular design pod and click the Save button. Below the Notes section are three buttons. We've explored the Edit Pod Tags button. The Delete button will do exactly that. Delete the entire pod including thumbnails and files. Then there is the Add Files button. After creating a design pod, you may wish to modify files or add new files to a design pod. Simply click Add Files, Browse, and upload your files. Moving down the page, we see three tabs labeled Folder Structure View, Files List View, and Download Requests. Starting with Folder Structure View, this feature allows you to view all subfolders within a particular design pod. For example, this design has two subfolders for different design sizes. You can download each subfolder individually by clicking Download next to the folder. Important to note when downloading a single file versus a folder. Single files will be automatically downloaded when you click Download next to an individual file. Typically, these download to your Downloads folder. However, you may have your computer configured to download to a specific folder. When you download a folder, this can take time depending on the size of files within the folder, and the folder will be zipped. That is why we have a Download Requests tab. Click Download next to a folder and there will be a pending status in the Download Requests tab. Once the download is finished, the status will change to complete and a download button will be available. Again, folders downloaded will be zipped and need to be unzipped after downloading from Eganizer. Individual files will be downloaded immediately to your computer and will be ready for use. The difference between the Folder Structure View and Files List View is simply all files will be listed without subfolders in the Files List view. What did we learn in this tutorial today? We learned how to modify design pod names and tags, how to add files to an existing design pod, and how to download our files. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to check out the others in the series to explore all the features Eganizer has to offer.